You are not the hero, but your listeners are. Strange, right? We've been always taught to present ourselves as a hero when we give a public talk before a group of people. But this book, Building a Story Brand, teaches you the opposite. This book is not teaching you to be the hero, but you have to make your listeners the hero. I'm going to give you some public speaking tips based on this. This book is not a public speaking book primarily, but one core idea from this book can be extremely beneficial to express your ideas better in any scenarios or situation. The core idea is that you are not the hero. You should never present yourself as this know it all who knows everything and who knows that you are the best. But you have to make listeners the heroes because when you do that, you're prioritizing them. You're doing your talk or speech or presentations for them and not for you. And this concept is rooted in the wide concept of story branding framework, wherein you act as a guide, helping your listeners through the journey, helping them solve a problem through your ideas or through your message. So here are three public speaking tips based on this, which you can apply. First one is to begin with the problem, with the pain point, and not to begin with yourself or the product or service you're offering. So how does that work? When you begin your talk, don't talk about yourself or the product, but talk about the pain point that your listeners are facing. And then you have to gradually guide them through the solutions as well. For example, you can begin by saying, have you ever been overwhelmed by a lot of choices? Now that is a pain point. Your audience might be facing this problem. So as soon as you say this, something clicks in their head. But rather, if you start speaking about yourself, making you the hero, they care less. They tune out because they don't want to know about you or your achievements or the complex ideas or the amazing ideas you've got. They want their problems to get fixed. That is the reason why you have to be the guide, be a problem solver for your audience. And the second one is to give a clear path. So you state the problem and then you have to state the solution as well. So, but it's not just about giving the solution. Okay, here is the problem. You don't have enough focus. Here's just a solution. Go follow it. No, you have to give them a clear path because as a guide, you are going to show them the way out. And this is something happens in all the stories as well. In stories, the hero has different layers, different steps, different actions they take to solve the problem. So in the same way, your speech or your talk or the product that you are trying to convey through your ideas should solve a problem through the path that you are offering. And the third tip is to give a proper guide and a solution. So when you make your story about them, when you make your story relatable, or you have to choose something to talk about that your audience is also going through. That way it's relatable, and that way you're not making yourself the hero, but you're making your listeners a hero. So story branding or building a story brand is one of the core books that you need to master if you have to present your ideas for your listeners. Thank you.